In order to change your Windows menu from this to this, first thing is you gotta go to your browser, and in your browser, you might want to insert this link right here. I'm gonna put it in the description. And from this link, you could download this app called Windhawk. Windhawk acts like a customizable place for Windows. So it's like mods for Windows. So what you're gonna do next is click download. And from download, you finish the whole installation. I have it all installed. Let me go to the app and I'm gonna open it. And from here, you can see all the mods, all type of mods for your Windows laptop. So for example, if you click on explore other mods, you can find all different mods for Windows. So it's like a place where you can customize your Windows device. Now let's keep in focus for our goal, and it's to customize the menu. So you might want to search this up if you can't find it on the first mods place. This is Windows 11 Start Menu Style. You can search that up in here if you can't find it. So basically, this is a mod that styles your Windows 11 Start menu. So if you click on details, you can find all type of settings and things you can explore. So you might want to play with it in the start. You can go to settings here and you can change the theme. So for example, if I want to put it into Windows 10 theme and then click save settings. Now if I hover over to the start menu and click on it, now you will see like a Windows 10 theme. It's pretty cool, right? You can also find other types of startup menu. For example, side by side right here, click save settings. And then if I hover over and click here, look, it looks as you expected. The current one I'm using right now is down arrow, if you like it. And I also recommend, if you want to, you could try other ones. As I said in the start, you can try translucent start menu and it looks clear. So if I leave the window and come here, yeah, the menu is clean. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next one.